Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I'm going to be covering QNT. It's my first time covering this coin, so hopefully goes well. Now, now if you look at this, this daily chart for QNT, it's we can just measure the it by the Fibonacci straight forward, okay? And you can see it does respect the Fibonacci quite a bit. You can go, it hit the resistance, fell in between the support and resistance between the 0.236 level, and then it started coming down, hit the resistance, came down, support fell to the golden ratio at 0. This is a very important level, so keep this in mind, 0.618. And then eventually, whenever it broke this, you can see it had a drastic fall towards the downside. And then it went back up, hit the 0.618, got rejected again, came down, made higher low formation, good thing, and then slowly started coming towards the 0.618 level. Okay, now you get the point. But what is it doing now? Okay, let's simply, what you could do is you could bring your resistance, trend line, and you can just draw it right over here. Okay, the reason you can draw it over here is because, or you could also draw it right over here. Okay, this is where you can draw it and take the Fibonacci off for right now. Okay, and now you could clearly see what's going on with Q and T. Now, it made this, this kind of pattern over here, and then it was in this resistance area. Okay, this was the major resistance for QNT, but it finally broke out of it. Okay, this is a very bullish thing that it did. But now a lot of coins, what they're doing is they're coming up, breaking the resistance, and they're coming and hitting the 0.618 level. Okay, because this is where the first major resistance was for all the coins, all the major coins basically, and that's what QNT is doing. It's coming and hitting the 0.618, and then it's just consolidating in that area. You know, if you go in the lower time frames, you can see a consolidation is going on. But now, if you take this off and you just look at this in a bit different way, it is also making this kind of pattern over here. Okay, a ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. And you could bring this another trend line. You could put it right over here. Let's just take this one off because I think this is more accurate in my viewpoint. So just place this over here. You can see a beautiful ascending triangle formation. Okay, now within this ascending triangle, if you just zoom in a little, okay, and you look at this from this perspective, it was making a damn, look at this, bearish head and shoulder pattern right over here. Okay, so one good thing I believe, or let's just see if it did it. If you just let me just take the VIX out of the place and measure this. Yeah, you can see why it went up. Now, if you look at this, you can see this was the rejection area. Okay, rejection area, support area, rejection area. Now it has broken out of this. So this pattern is invalid at the moment. Okay, but still, if market closes bullish this week for Bitcoin, and I keep stressing this in all my videos because Bitcoin is, if it closes above 46,000, then you will probably see a break from this area of 0.618 Fibonacci level. Okay, the reason I say that is because you can see, it can still make this kind of pattern towards the downside. Okay, if Bitcoin doesn't close above 46,000, okay, there can be a bearish pattern in creation if that happens. Okay, but if it doesn't happen, then you can see how beautifully QNT has broken this resistance line for this inverse head and shoulder pattern. Bearish head and shoulder pattern. So you just have to wait till it breaks this level because this has been a major resistance for QNT coin. Because you can see this pattern was also in play. Okay, this bearish um, head and shoulder pattern. Its target was all the way over here, but it never got to it. Okay, because obviously that's a very deep target in my viewpoint. But bull stepped in right over here. You can bring the volume. You can see bull stepped in, and they picked up the price. Now, if you look at the EMAs are aligning perfectly for QNT. You can see the cross happen from the 20 to the 55. You are above the 100 moving average, and slowly it is actually coming in support for the price, and it will help the price to break this resistance area of 0.618 level. And once you are above the 0.618 level, then things will start sailing a little bit smoother, and you will see volatility come for QNT, because after that you will straight away have some resistance, but your next target would be $190, okay? Once you break the 0.618 level, about 190 right over there. And if you go in the weekly now, you can see higher lows being formed. You are getting rejected by the 20 moving average. So obviously, in simple trading, trading terms, once you're above the 20 moving average in the weekly time frame, you have just switched the whole down pullback and the bearish sentiments, because you're going to be above the 20 in the weekly. So this week is also very crucial, I believe, this week and the next week for all coins at least, because you need to be above the 0.618. You get above 0.618, everything has just turned bullish. Okay, I hope this brought you some information for QNT, because it's actually looking good, because it has already hit the 0.618. It's just consolidating right now and just waiting on to break the 0.618. Once you break 0.618, $190 is your target. Okay, and hopefully this brought you some information. And if you like this kind of videos and like this video, I will keep on making this kind of content for you guys, and subscribe to my channel, guys. Okay, thank you and have a good day. Bye bye.